We're at MechTech in České Budějovice. They are specialists in the production of flexi PCBs, especially for the automotive industry. We're standing here at an interesting cleaning solution with a focus on boards after the soldering process. I would ask here, what's the story behind this equipment?
So the story of this bay is that we had a big problem with flux contamination on the flexi PCBs, and we needed to wash over 100,000 of our products. So we're on use this cleaning solution to clean over 8,000 products in 2 months, in 2,500 cycles.
Interestingly, those cycles were done in about 50 days.
32 pieces will go into this frame. You have to put them there. And this is the lid of the frame.
To keep those flexi PCBs from moving during that pressure cleaning process, that's how this custom frame is made, which allows cleaning only those areas that need to be cleaned so as not to damage the flexi foil itself.
So the frame is ready.
Many thanks to MP Electronic, our partner for Czechia and Slovakia, who coincidentally was able to release this cleaning solution from his warehouse. And with this, we were able to flexibly save MechTech. Thanks, guys.